To all, Happy Onam, Vamana Jayanti. Let us know what is Onam. What is the story behind Onam? How it is celebrated? What are the traditional programs? What are the traditional feasts? Hello everyone. Onam, Vamana Jayanti. It is one of the most popular festival in the state, celebrated by the people of Kerala. It is celebrated each year between August and September, that is Chigam in Malayalam calendar, also referred to as Thiru Onam. Onam is a major harvest festival. Let's see what is the story behind Onam. Long time ago, Kerala was ruled by Asura king Mahabali Chakravarti, who was nice and warm-hearted. People were immensely happy under his region. King Mahabali made sure his people get all the things they wanted. Due to his popularity, God got afraid, thinking he might harm them, and asked Lord Vishnu to help them. So Lord Vishnu agreed to help them by turning into poor Vamana, that is Brahman. After that, Vamana went to King Mahabali and asked for just 3 steps of land, and the King Mahabali agreed to it. Soon, Vamana increased his size, and his first step covered the whole earth, while second, whole sky. Turning to Mahabali, he asked for space to place his third step. Mahabali bowed and offered him his head, which was pushed by Vamana into netherworld, that is Patalok. But before sending Mahabali to the netherworld, Patalok, Lord Vishnu granted him permission to visit his kingdom once in a year, and this visit is celebrated as Onam. Came to know what is story behind Onam. Now let's see how it is celebrated. It is a 10-day festival. Each day of Onam has its own name, significance, and activities which people do to enjoy this festival. There are also a few post Onam celebrations that continue even after 10 days. Here is all you need to know about each day of 10-day Onam festival. Atam, first day of Onam. People commence the celebrations by decorating their homes with yellow flowers known as Pookalam. These flowers grow in size with each passing day of the festival as a new layer is added. The decorations are done to welcome the spirit of King Mahabali, in whose honor Onam is celebrated. Chitira, second day. People clean the entire house and another layer of flowers is added to the Pookalam. This is the most auspicious day for the purchase of fresh vegetables and fruits. Chodi, third day. People get together to celebrate occasion and buy gifts such as new clothes known as Onakodi and jewelry for each other. Vishakam, fourth day. Preparation for the Onam Sadhya begins. Although the number of dishes varies from family to family, most of them make 26 varieties. Anisam, fifth day. Snake boat get ready to race in Arnamula, Vellamkali, the oldest river boat festival in Kerala. Triketa, sixth day. Pookalam gets very large with at least 5 to 6 flowers added to the original design. Festivities begin in full swing as people get holidays from their work. Children get off from their schools to celebrate Onam. Moolam, seventh day. Families visit each other and temples start serving special sadhyas. Several places also enjoy performance of Pulikali, where artists paint themselves like leopard, tiger, and dance. Also perform traditional dance form like Kai Kotikali. Puradam, Eighth day. On this day, small statue of Mahabali and Vamana are taken around the house and put in the center of the Pookalam. Uttaradam, ninth day. It is believed that on ninth day, King Mahabali reaches the state. It is considered the most auspicious day and people buy fresh vegetables and start cooking traditional meals. Tiruonam, 10th day, the final day of Onam festival. People clean their houses, apply rice flour batter rangoli on the main entrance, take an early bath, wear new clothes, and enjoy Onam Sadhya feast. People also participate in various games and activities to celebrate the festival. The Pookalam from first day to 10th day will have flower layers increasing in the kolam. Till now, we have learnt what is Onam, what is the story behind Onam, and how it is celebrated. So, let's see what are the traditional programs. They perform Tiruvatira Kali or Kaikoti Kali dance form. They do snake boat racing with full of enjoyment. They enjoy performance of Pulikali where artists paint themselves like leopard, tiger and dance. Traditional feast. Almost they prepare 26 delicious dishes and serve on banana leaf. This feast is known as Ona Sadhya. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel.